There are a couple of ways that allow you to take a screenshot on POCO M8 Pro. The first method is to use the combination of two buttons, the power button and volume down button. If you press both buttons at the same time, you can easily capture a full screenshot just like that. Besides that, you can use three fingers gesture, so you can swipe from the top towards the bottom of the phone with three fingers in order to capture a full screenshot, and you can also press and hold three fingers anywhere on the screen in order to then capture a selective screenshot. So you can select the area that you want to capture, and then only that area will be saved as a screenshot. In case one of these three methods do not work for you, you just have to open settings, scroll down to additional settings over here, then go to gesture shortcuts, and then we should be able to find take a screenshot with two options and partial screenshot with the other option. Besides that, you can also go to the control center, and over here we should be able to find this screenshot button, so we can tap over here in order to immediately capture a full screenshot. Not only that, you can also go to settings and choose additional settings again, and this time if you go to the quick ball, if you use quick ball, then you can actually use it in order to capture a screenshot as well. So this works too. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.